on, everyone? We have to talk about ASTER because ASTER is literally down 7% in the last 24 hours, and it is also down 19% in the last week. So we're going to talk about this. We got rejected at the resistance, then we got rejected trying to get back up there to the next resistance. So we're obviously going to continue downwards, but we're going to talk about this. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice, but let's get straight into this, guys. So anyways, before we go over this, look at how bullish this is. Coinbase Markets perpetual futures trading for ASTER will go live on November 26th. This is actually pretty big for ASTER. Just getting listed on there, that's definitely good. But anyways, let's get straight into the charts. As I said before, now look, again, we're still trading within a bullish expanding triangle, which is still a bullish pattern here. But what it looks like is we're going to continue to break down until we have the momentum and the strength to break past this resistance. Once we can break past that trend line there, we are finally going to be inside of the bullish momentum. But if we don't, and if we keep getting rejected, then we're just going to keep seeing the price pulling back as well. So we don't really want to see that here with ASTER. I have a feeling after we break this support here, which we probably will, we're going to end up coming down here to 96 cents. So prepare for 96 cents soon here for ASTER. And what I think is once we hit 96 cents, we might either try to trade sideways till we can break out here, or you might see it hit 96 cents. And then you might see it coming down one more Fibonacci lower down to 89 cents and trying to break out there, or possibly coming down here to this level here and then trying to break out here. So pretty much what's going to happen is it's just going to continue to create lower lows and lower highs until it breaks out of this trend. If it doesn't break out the trend, it's going to keep creating lower lows and lower highs. And see, this is how the bear market really is. Is how we're in a bear market. We can't deny it. I think Bitcoin is going to get rejected. I think Bitcoin's going to have another dump down to 75K. I might be wrong, so take it with a grain of salt. But still, I think that we are in bear market territory, and this is only going to get worse. We're going to see ASTER trying to break out, but it's probably going to end up getting rejected here again. So I'm going to keep you guys updated. But yes, we are breaking structure. We kind of just now broken out of we kind of have just broken out of a rising wedge here, which is a bearish pattern in itself. So when you look at it from that perspective too, like we got a lot of things going against us. We have one bullish pattern, which is the bullish expanding triangle, but like that really means nothing. But this rising wedge, yeah, we just broke down to the downside of the rising wedge, which is a bearish pattern, so it's expected. So again, 96 cents soon, and we actually might come down even further to 89 cents. And there's even still a possibility of hitting 80 cents. There's still a possibility. So I would say be prepared for that. Be prepared for anything at this point. But yeah, also we are seeing some selling pressure coming in here on the MACD for the 4-hour chart, so we should see some more pulling back. But yeah, this is all I got for you guys today. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Definitely hit the like button, subscribe, all that good stuff. As always, I'll be back with another video.